Hi guys, it's Eva here. So, as predicted, the meteorologists were right this time. We had a 0 degrees this morning, 6 a.m. and it was the very first time, frosty time this winter. So, just checking how my food forest is doing, and I will take you with me. So the passion fruit looks all good, so we are still fine here. These guys are fine, and when we're lucky they can still ripen. So this is all good here. The entire food forest seems okay. The older it gets, the more protected it will be. I mean the food forest, the trees and so. But you can see here a little damage on the leaves, which is not very dangerous for the banana. So the middle leaves are still fine. You can see here some frost damage. Obviously all annuals, brassicas, everything is fine. Elderberry always fine. These little guys are a little sad, but they should be alright as well. The sweet potatoes, the leaves got some frost damage, which also is not that bad. Mandarins, everything is fine. The cassavas seem good as well. This area is still a little bit more open, so you can see here the frost damage on the banana leaves. But the middle one, the new one, is fine. So all good. And I show you my trick. I wish I will have more banana grass, because this one, it's definitely protected, but yeah, maybe next winter we will be better. So yeah, all brassicas good, all citrus fruits are good. So here my little baby lychee tree, that's how I'm protecting this very young and very little guys from frost. Yeah, I don't have many that little ones, but yeah, this is a good trick if you want to protect it, but you have to take the pot away during the day, obviously. So look at the babies. The leaves are perfectly fine. This is the lychee tree. If I wouldn't, this is new growth. It was really important to me to protect. So the lychee tree is perfectly fine. So as long as they're predicting cold nights and frosty nights, I will have to come every day, every evening or afternoon, and yeah, simple. 2 bricks. If it's higher, pot on top and some weight. That's why I use the log, and that's all you need. Let's have a look at my little moringa, because moringas are very fussy always. So as you've seen, some weight on top, a pot, and voila, my beautiful baby moringa is live and happy. So it's all good. But if you do that, don't forget to take the pot off in the morning, because otherwise you will cook your lovely tree underneath when the sun comes. We have about 20 or more degrees during the day, so the moringa in the black pot, you can imagine. Anything else seems fine to me. So these guys survived happily the frosty morning. The cassava seems fine, a little bit damaged, but it doesn't matter anyway, because even if the frost gets here, it will have new growth in springtime, new leaves, if we don't eat it before then. So all good. It looks like no bees or very little amount of bees this morning, because it was so cold. We don't want to go out really out. The potatoes, little damage as well. We will see how they go. But all over, I'm happy. Low-cut tree, always good. My starfruit seems to be absolutely fine as well. Starfruit is usually very fussy, but come on, this is a big boy already. So I hope he will manage our winter. But if not, the leaves will regrow anyway in spring, so it's all good. So yeah, that was the little update. Wanted to show you how I protect my little babies and what happened here in the food forest. Not much bad, so all good. So if you liked the little video, don't forget to like and subscribe as usually. And if you have any comments or questions, put them under the video below. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. And my tomatoes and capsicums are good as well, by the way. Okay, take care. Bye bye.